Hey y'all, so we got her started, but she's having a little bit of a noise, so they're trying to figure that out right now.
Do it all through somewhere or not? The worn out belts are a lot easier to get on and off. It's fucking bottom right out this time. Okay, you're good.
Okay, so they just took the belt off.
Yeah. I think it's better. The brake felt okay, but I only got a couple more, so.
Tranny lines are leaking, that one is. Fuck, I thought.
Yeah, why would you touch that?
Noise.
Well, so I wanted to hit it and see what noise it made.
What are you doing, tightening them up?
Gonna do this little snug just to be sure.
That sounds like a pretty good lifter noise.
I don't think that's what we're hearing, but
I'm not sure.
I didn't hear it the second time after you took the belt off.
It sounded different. I still heard the noise though.
And you're putting the belt back on right now?
yeah. I think I got it right this time. At least close.
Okay. Here we go. Crank. All the way up to the tensioner.
Okay, so the crank to the tension. We'll get this out of wherever it is. Okay, so crank all the way to the tensioner.
Okay. Then we come down under the idler. And up over the
Yeah,
alternator.
we go on this side of the tensioner just so you got the slack you need, right?
Pull it right through.
Okay.
Okay, and then from there, you go all the way down to
The
power steering.
steering.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, and we get it on there good. Okay, and then from there, we go up and around the water
Up
pump.
in between, yeah, that's what I thought. That's gonna be the hard part. Oh, here, Brett, hang on, I got an easy way. Take this up like this. We're on the power steering pump still? Okay,
Yeah.
hold us on the power steering pump.
Okay, wait.
Got us on the power steering pump?
Right. Okay, you're good.
Okay, can you reach down and
Control it. No, I can't. That's why. Hold and do the water pump first, and then go on the crank.
a little bit of both?
How are you gonna get around it though?
Well, first off, you gotta give me a 14 wrench.
Oh, that's not a 14? No. Shit.
Color's out. Color not.
Okay, we're on.
Woo!
Okay. On the water pump.
What's making that noise?
Making noise, but fitting them. I don't know. Just hang on. Okay, turn them. Just turn the ignition on.
Oh, check that wire. The wire? Yeah, the wire that I just tied in there. It might have fallen in further. It was kind of a sketchy zip tie.
No, it's more like the motor, and it sounded like it started being quiet. Turn it on again.
This fan. Crazy. It's a weird noise.
Pretty sure it's this fan here that's making
Me too. It looks like it changes speed.
It doesn't work.
Oh wait, does it not work and it only spins because the airflow from the other one?
No, just go. Turn it on here.
That's what I was going to do.
Okay, I fixed that noise.
Radio works.
Your radio works?
Fire it up and see if it runs any better now that I turn it off.
The radio works, Dad.
Yep. I'm not positive the pumps.
This gauge could also be fucked though too. We have no idea, right?
Are those the
I
new
forgot to
ones?
do the old, no, it's no, yeah.
There's no heat in
Either the thermostat's not opening
or the gauge is screwed.
or the gauge is
This
screwed.
should be hot.
Yeah, they should be hot. Yeah.
Like if it's at 240.
Oh yeah, shit, no, that's still cold for sure, bro.
Yeah, not even close. You feel this metal plate? That should get hot. Yeah.
Oh, that's like cold still.
I have a feeling it's the thermostat because I mean,
No, I think the pump's not.
Someone touch the motor, see if it's hot.
it's hot.
It's got some hot spots. This is a little bit warm inside though.
Okay, okay, I think whatever it is either getting quieter. I think. Alright, I'm gonna check transmission fluid this time, so start it up.
Oh yeah, the brakes are still good by the way. So.
Does it have fluid?
It needs a little bit. Give it some fluid before we let it run.
It should be able to idle without overheating, you think, right?
Yeah, I don't think it's warm enough for the thermostat to open.
The gauge says it's hot though.
I know either the gauge isn't working right or it's not opening it, but it means it should be hot if it wasn't opening. Yeah, the gauge definitely warm. No question about that, bro. Like where that sensor is, it's warm.
This fitting, the factory one, it goes right in. I say we put the factory one in there, let it cool off for a little bit. Put the factory one in there and read it off the MSC because we know that one was right from earlier.
It's not hot. It's either not circulating at all, or it's
Or it's not hot.
not hot.
I think we should put the factory one back in to plug into the MSC.
No, we know that's hot, bro. Touch it.
Oh, yeah, we know it's hot.
Okay, that's hot.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. It's here. It's not hot. We know that, but we don't know why.
Either the water pump itself is just no good.
How much did I put in here?
Give it a liter and a half. You didn't want to put in earlier. Fuck liters. I think what's wrong is the water pump's not working.
Oh.
Do we want to loosen the bolts and try and create a leak and see if that happens?
No, because
Oh, yeah,
the
no,
thing
that
about
would-
it is the antifreeze hoses here should, like, even if the heater core was plugged, one of them should work. One of them should be warm, one of them should be cold.
I used to, obviously oil change, and when you have a car running, it's hot.
Right. And the heater gets warm first in order to warm up your vehicle. That's the way the system works. If you don't heat here, it'll be hot. This one's got a bit of heat into it because it's coming up.
That's also on the manifold too.
It's really got a little bit of resonating heat on it. So, how would the water pump how it works though? We never really had a temperature gauge in it before. We let it run a bunch of times.
Every time.
The only other thing is if we did something, we did something for the gas station somewhere where it's walking. That would be the only other thing. Okay, fire it up, Brad. Brad, rev it up a little.
You went like that, Dad.
I know.
Does it feel hot yet?
Well, it looked like the rad went down again.
Is it leaking from somewhere then?
That noise though, is that the water pump?
Yeah, what is that was going every time you step on it?
I'm not 100% sure yet, Brad, but it's quite possible. There's actually some heat in the thermostat in there now. What's the temperature say there?
200.
Okay, just bring the RPM up slowly and just not too much. Just
Is that pull like 2 grand 25?
yeah.
Where's his gauge that tells him that?
You didn't have one yet. It's got a little bit of warmth now that we revved it up a little bit, but not. That pump's got to be screwed, right?
You have to take all that out again?
Yeah, there's 6 bolts we gotta take off to get it.
Actually, check this. Oh, it's too goddamn clear.
Yeah. We'll clean the motor up too good, Brad.
Oh, it's perfect. Look at that, though. We guesstimated
Let
perfectly.
me see.
The noise that I was hearing that was worrying me at first seems to be gone.
It was probably just a lifter noise.
Probably. The water pump itself could have been making the noise, and then now it's quit completely. So.
What's the like loud? What's the loud like bang when it starts?
Yeah, I heard a little clunk one.
It happened. I have it on video. Like the last 3 times we started, it sounded like something went like bang when you started.
It does have quite a bit of timing on it, so
Do you want me to show you?
after.
No,
I heard go up, though?
Up,
Or you
yeah.
gonna keep
Up.
leaning on it.
No, go up.
Okay.
I'll move. Fuck, Brad.
I mean,
Like if you go up, I'm gonna move off the truck.